Hey folks, JD here, and today I've got a nice little package here to unbox. Now I know what it is. Let's open it up. This is an Xbox Series S. So I decided I wanted to get a Series S. I wanted a Series X. I used to have a Series X. I sold the Series X when I was writing the first album for the band, and I then decided, you know what, I'll have, with all the consoles I've got here, I won't go for an X just yet. I'll wait until they come down in price. I'll go for an S. And then I was looking at one for months, and I kind of gave up looking, really, because they were so expensive. I kind of thought to myself, well, I don't really want to be buying that. I like to physically own my games, and as this is a digital console, I kind of thought, I'll wait for a Series X. And then I saw this on eBay for $139, brand new. So I thought to myself, do you know what? I'm going to go for that. And I've got a good returns policy, so if it does turn out to be a scam, or it does turn out to be something other than a genuine Xbox Series S, then I will get in touch and get my money back. But I thought for $139, I thought I'm going to give that a shot. And I think the main reason for it as well is I have got some games which I have bought for the series, for the Xbox Series, and obviously I can't play. Ooh, very nice. Yes, this looks very, very official. Let's open this so far. Yeah, there you go, look. So, good stuff. Let's put that there. Let's open it up. Ooh. Nice, nice, nice. Right, let's angle this camera a little bit so I can, there we go. So, let's take this out. So I had a Series X, as I said. The unboxing is still on the channel if you want to check it out. I really enjoyed having it. Let's put this to one side. Come on, John. Think now. There we go. Use two hands. Perfect. And the main selling point for this for me was that it was in box. So I like to own the boxes. I like to keep the boxes. And yeah, look at this. Beautiful. Really nice. USB port, controller connector, the top of it. Now, it said it was hardly used. And honestly, there's no dust. There's nothing on there. I would believe that. Ethernet, USB, HDMI, storage expansion, and of course your figure of 8 power lead there as well, and your Kensington lock right at the very end. Underneath, a little grubby, but to be honest with you, that's really not bad. It's really not bad at all. Xbox, hello from Seattle. Nice. Yeah, really nice. Really nice. Button has got a good action to it. The controller button has got a good action to it as well. Perfect. That is really nice. I like they've got Braille under there too. Really, really, really nice. So that's the console, and I gotta say, I'm not a fan of digital only. I think we're walking into a mistake by going digital only. But for now, this will kind of do. As and when I can get the money up, I might go for a Series X. I do want to have a Series X again, but to be honest, right now, this will do. When GTA 6 comes out, it's going to come out on this console as well as the X, so I'm absolutely fine with that. I am going to buy a physical copy of that game, even if I don't have the console then, just because I like to have physical copies of games. And here is the controller. Beautiful, really nice Series X controller. No problem, I've got a battery for that as well, rechargeable battery, so that's great. Lovely, really nice. It's the same as my original Series X controller that I had as well. Exactly the same. Beautiful, really nice. I'm glad it comes with the official one because I do like it to colour match. I know it's a first world problem, but I really do enjoy that. And that looks in very good nick. And I would 100% believe when they said it's hardly used, mate, we're going to sell it for $139, but I'm going to sell it as brand new because, again, it's hardly used. I said, yeah, do you know what? I'll do that. So, yeah, really, really happy with how all that looks. So, controller, Xbox Series S, the box for it as well, which is great. I'm really happy I've got that. The figure of 8 power lead, and, of course, a nice HDMI cable. Really happy with that. And then I've not seen this before. That's just your setup instructions. That's absolutely fine. I'll put that back in the box and I'll put that in the attic for safekeeping. But all in all, I'm really happy with how all this looks, and I'm really happy with how cheap I got it as well. That's the price point for me. And yeah, I really can't wait to be using this. And I think the first game that I'm going to re-download and play on this is going to be Dying Light 2. I really enjoyed that game, and I can't wait to play it again. But so far, yeah, I can't fault this. I think the next thing to do now is just plug it in. I've got a battery for that. Let's plug it in and let's see exactly how it responds. All right then, folks. I've moved my Xbox One X Limited Edition Gears of War Edition, and I've put my Series S there. And let me just pop you in here now and turn you around the best I can. There you go. So now I have just got a load of games, as you can see, getting a load of games installed. I've gone primarily for the ones which are going to be best suited for the S. So I've just started to just get these installed. It'll take a few hours to get everything done. But so far, the console has been absolutely perfect. When I signed in, there were no other accounts. It just signed in effortlessly without there being any problem whatsoever. And actually, I signed in using the Xbox app, which is the first time. My Xbox Ones, whether it be the Halo edition or the Gears of War edition, the Xbox app has never worked for me. I've always had to go through it and do it in a more manual way. But this way, absolutely worked with the S flawlessly. So I just restored the backup that was on my Series X from 2 years ago. It turned out, not a year ago, but from 2. And without there being a problem, there you go. It's all set up, ready to go. So these games should be installed over the next few hours, and I should be able to start playing them almost immediately. So what I got planned for the rest of this week is probably a couple of games like I do. I'll do the unboxing and do a couple of games to showcase the console throughout the week. So we've already had a retro unboxing and we've had this unboxing. So I'll get another game or two played. It won't be a full game, but it'll be a good one just to show the power of the S as well. And there we have it. I gotta say, I'm extremely happy for $139.99. This is everything, working absolutely flawlessly. And I've just put in the battery pack from my my Halo 20th anniversary controller, and yeah, no problem. Popped it in straight away, no problem. Registered, worked, turned on the controller. The Xbox turned on with it, so it had been paired before. So there we are, perfect. Can't fault any of it, folks. Absolute steal for the money that I paid. All right then, my friends. Thanks ever so much for watching and listening. I've been JD. You've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time, my friends, happy gaming.